Hello. Do you have pressure problems with your sprinklers at home? Maybe the coverage isn't very good throughout the yard and you have some bare areas. Or maybe your water bill is just really high and you want to be more efficient with your water sprinklers. My name is Eli Hall. I'm with AMS Landscaping, and that's what this video is about. We are offering an MP Rotator Sale. This head is so fantastic that it fixes so many problems. If you have pressure issues, if you have coverage issues, if you have water running down the sidewalk issues, these heads tend to resolve all those issues. Even if you have an older system and you just like, I don't really want to put a lot of money, I know the system needs to be replaced, I tell people, let's try the MP Rotator just because it's such a great sprinkler head. They use literally a third of the amount of water a traditional pop-up uses. And because it's moving and it's rotating and they have different, the actual nozzles spray like a different length. Each little spray head on the nozzle actually sprays a different length. You get coverage far and close with each individual head. And because it's not watering in one spot so hard, it's almost like if you leave a hose in one area, it floods that area. It's almost like what pop-ups do. They get to the point where they just start running so much and then it starts running down the sidewalk. Well, when you're using a rotating head that's precisely, more accurately, trajectorily putting the water in the spot that it needs to go and not so constantly that the ground has time to absorb the water. And so you get better coverage, you get even watering, you get more efficient sprinkler heads, and just a nicer yard. And that's what I love about MP Rotators. So we are offering a sale right now. You can get 6 MP Rotators for $190. This is normally $240 for us to install these MP Rotators in your yard for up to 6 of them. So we can get you a better price on them. If you have more heads than that, we can obviously make sure that we give you that even per head price if you have more of them. We'd love to get this estimate out to you. If this is something you're interested in, please reach out to us on our website at azlawns.com. Mention the MP Rotator Sale, and we'll be sure to give you this offer. Go to our website at azlawns.com. Also, please subscribe to our YouTube page and our Facebook page at AMS Landscaping, and check us out on Twitter and Instagram at AZLawns. Make it a great day.